Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in Windows features to keep you safe and savvy online. Today, we're tackling how to get to Windows Defender in 2025. If you're using Windows 11 or later, Windows Defender is your built-in shield against viruses, malware, and other digital threats. It's free, powerful, and always on guard. Let's dive right in and get you accessing it in no time. First things first, why bother with Windows Defender? In 2025, with cyber threats evolving rapidly, it's essential for protecting your personal data and ensuring your PC runs smoothly. Now, let's walk through the steps. Start by clicking the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. That's the Windows icon. Once you're there, type Windows Security into the search bar and hit Enter. This will launch the Windows Security app, which is the new home for Windows Defender features. Inside the Windows Security app, you'll see a dashboard with several options. Scroll down or look under the Protection Areas section for Virus and Threat Protection. Click on that, and bam! You're in. Here, you can run a quick or full scan, check for updates, or even manage your real-time protection settings. If you prefer the Settings route, open the Settings app by pressing Windows +I on your keyboard. Then, navigate to Update and Security, and select Windows Security from the left menu. Again, head to Virus and Threat Protection to access Defender. One quick tip. Make sure your Windows is up to date, as Microsoft often improves Defender with new features. That's it. Simple, right? By following these steps, you'll have Windows Defender at your fingertips, keeping your system secure. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 tech guides. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.